Oxidative stress has been implicated in how we age. It's why we age. So what causes oxidative stress? Diet, lifestyle, stress. We create those little free radicals that move around the body and they attack our genes.
Ketone metabolism has been shown to support mitochondrial function. I'm sure you've probably heard of mitochondria. If you think back to high school biology, you probably heard the powerhouse of the cell. These are the little organelles that are in every cell of our body that create the energy. And they're very, very important. They're vital to our metabolic health. And ketone metabolism has been shown in many different ways to protect mitochondrial function, protecting them from oxidative stress, oxidative damage, preserving the integrity of the mitochondrial genome, protecting them from free radical stress and mutations that can occur in the mitochondrial DNA, stimulating mitochondrial biogenesis, so creating new mitochondria, increasing the threshold for apoptosis. So the mitochondria actually control whether or not a cell will live or die. This process is called apoptosis. And in certain situations, ketones will raise the threshold for mitochondria to induce apoptosis, allowing neurons to survive a chemical insult that otherwise they would not survive when ketones are not present.
Beta-hydroxybutyrate can help manage our nervous systems. In the sympathetic nervous system, that's our fight and flight mode. That's what we need to pull an all-nighter, to write an exam the next day, or meet a deadline. So when we're in that fight and flight mode, we're producing a lot of that cortisol. So we need to transition from sympathetic to parasympathetic, which is that calm nervous system. Beta-hydroxybutyrate can actually help maintain the balance between sympathetic and parasympathetic and actually encourages that calm state. And in that calm state, we're not pushing cortisol, our stress hormone.
This research is really, really cool. And it's picking apart all these reasons why there's so much interest happening right now and so much work being put into these molecules.